Hello, thank you so much for clicking my video. In today's video, this wig is brought to you by KlaiyiHair. I'll be sure to leave a link below to this wig and also their direct store. This wig was also pre-recorded before, but I lost my camera. So I lost some of the footage of the unpackaging and how the wig originally came. So I'm just going to show you guys what I have left that I can show you guys. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. You get a 13x4 parting space. Behind the parting space, you get 2 combs, another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. The cap material feels like a dome cap stretch fit. As for the lace is Swiss lace and it's slightly tinted to brown, so it's going to make it easier for me to blend in with my skin later on. And as for the hair texture, it's on the silky side. When I received the wig, the hairline of the wig came lightly pre-plucked, but I went in and plucked it some more. Also, the knots do not come bleached, so I went in and bleached the knots, plus washed the hair, and I left the wig to air dry. And a few weeks later, this is what it's looking like. The hairline on this wig, I plucked more than I usually do. Usually I try to pluck it, not too much, but I was kind of inspired off of being on Instagram. So I was like, let me just pluck a little bit more than I'm used to. And it's not bad. I like it. Now I'm going to take some lace tint, and I brought this from the Wig Gurus. The shade that I have is Caramel Frappe, and I used 2 layers. The first layer I'm going to take and spray underneath the lace, but I'm only spraying the hairline and the parting space. Then I go in and blow dry until it's completely dry. Then I flip it over and I spray the hairline and the parting space again and then blow dry again. I'm going to take this Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum and apply it onto the hair. And I'm also going to take this 360 mist bottle. It's just water in the bottle that's room temperature. And I'm going to be using this to spray it onto the hair. First, I go in with the Skinny Serum. And I take like a medium amount and I apply it all over the hair. Then I'm going to lightly mist the hair with water. Not too much though, I don't want to drench the hair. I just want it to make it a little damp. Now I'm going to take my little denim brush and just blow out the hair. I was so nervous blowing out this hair because in my house, if you use the blow dryer for too long, it will knock the power out. So I'm trying my hardest to rush with this little travel size blow dryer. And you know what? In the end, the power got knocked out. And I was like, damn. I didn't want to knock the power out again, so I just left the rest to air dry. Now I'm about to style the wig, and I just cannot with the flyaways that's on the front. So I'm like, oh my god, but don't worry, those can be handled. I'm going to take this Erica J Frizz Bully wax stick, and I'm just going to apply it to the parting space because right by the parting space is just a lot of flyaways. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my Andis hot comb and press down the parting space and hairline. After I'm done pressing down the parting space and hairline, this is what it looked like. And to me, I feel like the hairline is a little crooked. At first, I thought it was the way I placed it on my mannequin head, but I think it's just the way they ventilated the hairline. So I just feel like that's something they just have to work on. I will be styling my hair with this T3 iron. Thank you so much, baby, for getting me this changeable iron. I love it. In this video, it's my first time using the iron. So you're going to see me do like different curl patterns and different ways like holding the curling iron because it's my first time. So I was trying to get familiar with it. And to be honest, I was struggling a little bit. I was, but in the end, I promise you it didn't come out too bad. So stay tuned for my end results and continue to watch me struggle if you want. There's timestamps in the description box, so feel free to click ahead if you're not interested in how I curl it. I was really struggling with what kind of curl I want to do. I didn't even hold the curl for too long. I just let go. I told you I was trying to get familiar with the iron, so do not laugh at me. But over time, I got better with this, and I must say I love this iron a lot. I really love it, and I recommend. But stay tuned for other videos to see how I curl with the T3 iron because I promise you I get better at it. To help hold my curls, I'm going to go in with the Sebastian Shaper Plus and just lightly spray this over the curls I just did. I didn't want you guys to keep watching me struggle throughout the whole wig, so I'm just gonna skip through some of it and show you guys how the curls turned out. And I told you I'm getting the hang of it. I'm getting the hang of it. These curls is coming along. They're coming along. Pretty much down to my end results on the curls, and I feel like they came along really well. I was proud of myself. I'm excited to use the iron again at this point. And just to finish it off, I go in again with the Sebastian Shaper Plus and just spray all over the hair again. On the inside of the wig, I would like to insert an elastic band, but to keep the ends of the elastic band from unraveling while it's sewed in, I'm going to take this lighter and just lightly go over the ends, and that just helps harden the ends. So when the elastic band is on the inside and is stretching, the thread won't pull through it and make it come loose. I placed the elastic bands right by the combs that was in the crown area. I didn't sew it too tight just in case I have to go in and like take it out and move it. But when I tried it on, it fit perfectly fine. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the lace. So I move the baby hairs out the way and I take my scissors and cut right along the hairline. Now I'm going to comb out the curls. I'm going to use this comb. So I just start from the front of the hair and work my way to the back. Ooh, I am feeling these curls, but one thing I must let you know is that when I did these curls, I left the wig on the mannequin head for about a week, only because I had a lot of stuff going on, so I didn't get to review it right away. And now it's time for the install, and you're gonna see how the curls look now. They did drop, but they're still good. And I'm gonna go in with a black stocking cap. Right there is where I hooked my adjustable straps. So I had a feeling my sides is going to end up showing because of the way they positioned the frontal on the cap, but that is fixable. Also, the frontal is longer than my hairline, so I'm going to go in and cut off some of the frontal right by the ear tab just so it can lay down more properly. I usually install my wig first before I go ahead and apply powder, but I just want to see how much the lace blends in with my skin so I know if I need a lot of spray or if I should use glue. And right now that powder got it blending in way better than just now, so I'm like, I don't think I have to go in with too much spray for this install. I'm going to go in with the olive oil super hold spray, and this is going to help tack down my lace. I'm not going to go in and apply too much because this is a wig show and tell. I just want to demonstrate what the wig will look like on me, just in case if anybody's interested to purchase from this company, or you got this wig and you want to know how to style it, install it. But you can definitely add as much layers as you want. You don't have to use spray. You can also use glue, gel, whatever you like to install your wig. It was my first time using this product called Glueless, and I used it to style my baby hairs, and I must say I love it. Ever since I got this product, this is all I use on my virgin hair wigs to style my baby hairs. I just love the hold that it gives and the smooth look, and it gives a hard hold to the baby hair, but it makes it look soft. So I'm just like, wow, this is genius. Whoever made this, you can have my coins. To help hide the grids on the lace of the parting space a little bit more, I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 355. I am all done and I love my end results. I was like, okay, come through, Kara. I did that. I did my baby hairs just a little extra. I like it. I feel like it goes with the style of the wig. As for the curls, like I told you guys before, the curls did drop, but I left this wig on my mannequin head for about a week, and the fact that it still held the curls, some type of curls, I was like, okay, not bad. When I was styling the hair, I did get shedding. Shedding was low. It wasn't too heavy in my opinion. As for tangling, I got zero tangling when I was styling the hair. The density of the hair, I believe, is 150%. I like it. It's not too thick, not too thin. Really nice for every day. As for the lace is blending in pretty nicely with my skin, and I didn't really spray the whole hairline of the lace, so for it to really blend with my skin like that makes me happy. Like I said before, the texture of this hair is on the silky side, and the length of this wig when it came was 20 inches, but I did trim off some of the ends, so I would say it's about 18 inches now. There's a no track showing in the back, especially when I split the hair. The shine on the hair is really nice. Also, when I washed the wig, I didn't have no running dye. When I received the wig, it didn't have no foul odor. I like it. I was nervous about the way they ventilated the hairline, but I made it work in the end, and this is it. If you guys have any questions though, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Stay safe.